Are you having trouble downloading or sending attachments in Yahoo Mail and it's stopping you from getting things done? Don't worry, because you're in the right place and we are going to fix it right now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some quick, proven fixes to get your Yahoo Mail attachments downloading and sending again without hassle. And yes, if you're unable to remove this issue even after watching this video, then call the displayed numbers to get one-on-one expert assistance. Alright then, let's jump right into it. Method 1. Perform the basic troubleshooting. Let's start by opening up the Yahoo Mail app on either the App Store or Play Store on your device. Once you're there, check if there's an update available. And if there is, go ahead and tap on the update to install it. After the update is done, open the Yahoo Mail app and check if your problem has been resolved. If the issue is still there, go ahead and press and hold the Yahoo Mail app icon on your device. When the options appear on the screen, tap on the info icon to open the app details. On the page that opens, go ahead and tap on the Force Stop option. When the confirmation prompt pops up on the screen, simply tap on OK to confirm. Go ahead and check if these steps fixed your problem. If they did, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. But if the issue is still there, no worries at all. Just keep following the steps below. Now, go ahead and tap on the storage option from the same page. Once you're in the storage section, go ahead and tap on the clear data option. A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. Go ahead and tap on delete to complete the process. Now, go ahead and log back into your Yahoo Mail account and check if your attachment issue has been finally resolved. Method 2. Properly send the attachment. Access your Yahoo Mail account and then click on the Compose option. Then, type the email address of the recipient and double-check that it is correct. After that, to attach your file, go ahead and click on the Paperclip option. Now, you need to choose the Attach File from the Computer option. Next, select the attachment you want to send. Once that's done, click on the Send button and see if you're able to send emails or not.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.